we've all been educated about drugs, we've all been taught about drugs, but I was shocked to learn that the amount of people that aren't as educated about drugs and the amount of people who are not aware about the negative side effects of drugs.
The more I researched the subject, the more I realized how relevant and how important it is, and how this whole theme that you will see of Rakshasas and all, drugs are there in those nooks and corners of our city and our lives today that we can't even imagine how far-reaching they are. I think this is an amazing initiative, and it should just go all the way.
Both of us believe together that and drugs and the issue of drugs is an important epidemic, I would like to say, that needs to be tackled.
It was something that we thought of, and we thought that the best way to put it across was using theatre. Now both of us we're passionate about theatre and have taken theatre in the IB, and we felt like the easiest way to get the message across without preaching or teaching them about it was showing them and actually making them experience what is actually going on in the world.
So we've partnered with the NGO Smile. They're a small NGO, they don't have a large amount of kids, but they make a very large impact in the world.
They focus a lot on education for children, but they also work with personality development and the mothers of the children to actually teach them skills that they require to get good jobs.
अरे बॉस, तेरे को पैसे लाने पड़ेंगे, तू शाम को पैसे ले आना, माल मिल जाएगा.
These children vary from age 10 to say 15. So they're not as old as us, but they're at an age where we think that teaching them something would actually stay with them. I would say that they're educated, they go to school, but they're not from such a privileged background, so they're not exposed to the type of information that we are.
Given the time, the space constraint and all, I think it's commendable what the kids have been able to do. I am absolutely floored by their confidence and by their sense of purpose. Overall, it's been a very fulfilling experience.
You learn about commitment, and they've been so dedicated to the entire thing and enthusiastic about it. Even when we first brought up the problem we were going to address, they were so eager about it and they wanted to learn more. So that's something I haven't seen.
They really worked very hard. For 2 months they were coming regularly and doing everything. And I think it's just not even children, the parents, and I think full team was very good.
We taught the children, we gave something to them, but I've learned a lot from them. We've seen what they go through, we've spent time with them, we've understood them, we've become closer, we've become a close-knit group. It's been amazing. It's not just been fun, which it has been of course, and it's allowed both of us to follow our passions of theatre and directing and writing, but it's also been something a lot more important, and as cheesy as it is, I'm not the same person as I was when I started this.
We actually wanted to take this forward to schools because we can't get a huge audience here and a lot of kids to see it. But we wanted to take it to them in the form of a movie and a presentation and actually explain to them what we're trying to say, and hopefully it'll start a domino effect. We can hope, but
we believe it's best that when doing this performance, if we spread the message, it starts with this performance, but we want to make it much larger and much bigger. Being two 17-year-old kids, we knew we couldn't change the world and stop 208 million people from doing drugs and change their lifestyles. But if we can stop adding to that number, I think we've done enough.